What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video of my gaming channel. Today we're going to be playing some Windsurfing Mmx, the only game that the windsurfing game there is. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I also have other games that are going to be pretty cool for the channel. Just haven't downloaded them yet, like Liftoff Drone Simulator and hoping to get Forza later, but it's not working right now. So, but for now, enjoy the video. All right. So I'm going to try to get some waves as best as I can. It's an interesting map I like to play with. I can only do like one trick, so it's going to be a flip. I hate when this happens. I got to always ignore that thing. That notification, we call it. Boom. Nailed it. Yeehaw. I also have to be aware of all these other surfers over here who are basically the computer and the CPU, other CPU players. Oh, they're lost. And they have no idea how to drive. So I'm not that excited if they run over me. Run me over. As you guys can tell, I kind of suck with doing tacks. We'll try to do a jibe here. There we go. I think I should purposely run into one of these surfers purposely. I have to get farther over this direction. Unless they come to me, and that will make it better. So I'm slogging over here. There we go. That's a little better. Oh, the boundary. I know this first video might be a little bit boring, but you know, this is the only only game I have right now downloaded. But there will be more. Let's go find someone we can hit. Uh-oh. There's gotta be somebody. Oh, come on, I missed them. Come here. Gotta hit somebody. Come here. Come here. Oh, I got him. Let's go. Back to some waves. And at the same time hitting people. Come here. Oh, I almost had him. Oh, come on. Come on. We do have some waves, though. Can't even see if I'm going to the shore or not. Ooh, a big wave right here. Oh, no, I lost it. No. It's a huge wave. Double flip. Let's go. I don't know what I just did. Wrong button. Yeah, hold on. Wrong button. I pressed like the race button, which I technically started a race. That's like the go or something. So we already do this game because I haven't done much of this game. Why did I do that? Still wonder if I could do a backflip. Well, I did a front flip, but I still can't figure out how to do a backflip. I better keep heading this direction. Otherwise I'll be screwed. It is the worst feeling when you get stuck. Especially if you guys see my other channel, the regular channel Matthew Rutner, that channel. I have gotten stuck before windsurfing. Not much really in the channel, but if you see the channel, you know I do a lot of windsurfing. So it's the worst feeling in the world when you get stuck. You're lost at sea, but not in this game because it's like not real life. It could be. This could be me in real life. As I mentioned before, the CPU does not know how to steer right. I'm gonna do a different map, you guys. Let's do Lost. My favorite map after this one is Lost Island, right here. Yes, just nice for cruising around and doing what you want to do. Just off of an island, it's just dope. Yeah, I'm glad I did not make that flip at all. I was about to. These guys have no idea how to steer properly. This guy's going right at me. But they are good. Gotta say that. Can't see where I'm going for. Finally. Yes. This game would be cracked if this was real life. This would be so cracked. I am slogging that. I'm not going that fast. This is actually probably as fast as I normally go in real life. So, uh-oh. This is not how I surf in real life, by the way. It looks as if I do, but trust me, you guys, I don't. I surf like this in real life, just except for the foot strap part. I'm normally like in this by the center area. Like my back foot is like in between the foot strap area. And the foot strap, you don't know what that is. It's the place where his feet are right there. And my foot's in between all of that. And then my front foot is at the edge of the board in the middle. And what's actually cool is I actually do have the sail brand that this one actually is. It's actually Deal. This one's actually a Deal Pride, so that's pretty dope. I also have a few dash sails, which are dope as well as Ezzy's and yeah, North something. I forget the other part of it. North. I forget it. In real life, we don't steer like this. All the wingers that you see in my other videos on my other channel do not do this at all. They have better steering than these guys. Uh-oh. I can't see. Dude. Oh, that's where I wanted to go in the first place. No, trying to get off the board. There we go. Just what I want to do. So, alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap up the rest of the video. So thanks so much for watching, and yeah, subscribe to the channel, and also check out my other two channels, Matthew's Music Jams and the regular channel, where I do all my stuff like windsurfing, skiing, and stuff. That would be the main channel, Matthew Rutner, of course. And make sure you subscribe and like this video, and yeah, see you next time.